my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're going to start another episode of the Jordan Mid Show. I want to joke with you guys. Let me get you a little bit of box action. This one here is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition, white and black. It's not really just white and black. Let me get this light out. It's supposed to be a heat-sensitive Jordan that changes colors depending on the heat. Oh yeah, they do too. Both of the shoes are a different color. I'm not going to take both of them out the box, but at this point they're a different color. I don't see any extra laces or anything in there, so get you guys a report on the leather quality. It's feeling kind of stiff, but I think this shoe is retailing for $130. The fabrics on here are good. The leather is about basic. I'm not gonna win any awards on the leather. The color change material is actually pretty cool. I like the iridescence, as you would call it, I guess. It's even on the tongue. I hope you guys could see that. Let me get you guys a close up. It's on the Jordan tongue as well. Let me get you guys a little bit of light action. So that's the basic black bottom. This could be an everyday wearing Jordan. I don't know. Get you guys a little bit more look at that color change. Oh man, well, I hope you guys can see this on the video. It looks like it's pulsing. Depending on the angle you look at it, like the cars, I guess. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice. Try to get you guys a little bit of the action, but yeah, depending on how you look at it, it changes. And the hand is pretty trippy. All right, guys, we'll get you one more 360. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, I don't know. I guess you could make this an everyday wear with the white. It pops. And the color change is the best feature, but I believe that is maybe a summertime good feature. I don't know if you want to wear these in the winter. I don't know what color they would turn to, but let's get on with the next shoe. Start this next shoe. My box, you already know what this is, guys. They've been doing a whole bunch of them. Should have hit the light. Let's hope it focuses. Get you guys a little bit of light action because you guys said the labels are better in the light. Alright, this is the Air Force 107 white University Red and Team Red. Doing a whole bunch of these weird Air Forces, I guess, because they know it's the spring, summer season. So you guys get ready to brace yourself. Boots from Nike and other companies should be coming out now non-stop. That it's the fall season coming up right after September, but they're cutting off most people's cash. Feel for you guys. I was loving getting you guys this extra money each month, each week. Now with it gone, there should be a lot more sneakers available for everybody else. All the normal working stiffs. I look forward to getting you guys cash now. But as far as this Nike, it's a pretty good Nike. The red stitching, in my opinion, it's what sets it off. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like has red baseball stitching. They didn't do too good on the swoosh, in my opinion. The leather is a decent quality. And they look like they gave you a new shoestring. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of top action first before I give you bottom action. Has a little bit of Nike symbol on there. Ready to do 360 with the light. The bottom just seems to be a regular Air Force One bottom. It's just in this must be the Team Red colorway right here. I can tell you guys for sure that the stitching is University Red and the swoosh is University Red. So this darker red has to be the Team Red. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, low shoes you have to really wear only in summer, or the last days of fall. You can't really wear them in winter. You wear them in spring too. See, they got something on the back of my shoe, just a little linty. This back portion is like a little bit of aged leather. Like they had some old Air Forces or something sitting in the back. They said they was going to roll with it. Let's get you guys a little bit of top action. You guys can see a little Nike in there. A little of Nike on the tongue. Gives you a general idea. Alright. It's a good Nike. I recommend this Air Force One if you can get it. If you're an Air Force One guy. Get your side silhouette of what people will see when it's on your feet. We'll get on with this next shoe. Finish up this episode. Yeah, get you Canon, something DSL, something good. Let me get you guys box action. This is the Air Jordan 1 Electric Orange, Black, and White. AKA the Metallic Orange Jordan 1 Mids. I wanted this shoe second I seen it from the first pictures. It reminds me of a sort of shattered backboard or starfish Jordan. They're coming out with a lot of new colors. You guys are going to see them coming up in my videos and see them in the stores coming up. They should be releasing them these next couple of months if they stop pushing it back. Also, Nike is concerned about the Delta and the Lambda variant, so they're going to be pushing back a lot of sneakers. They're canceling sneakers. You guys should be seeing it now. Sneakers you thought were coming out is getting pushed back. I think they're going to push back the Oreos and a couple other pairs because they really want people to buy them. We had them sitting around in the store for a while and they keep telling us not to sell them. They told us not to sell this shoe, but they finally gave me the go ahead. They said they didn't care if we sold it sometime probably like last week. I had these sitting for a while. A lot of people wanted them and I couldn't give them to them. Because Nike said just don't. Got a ton of shoes. We got the Oreos sitting here too. But Nike said don't sell them yet. I think they're going to let the, whatever these 12s that they call them, the utility 12s. We call them the recycled garbage 12s. 39% recycled garbage, but I'm only at the bottom. But let me tell you guys about this shoe. Stop talking about that. All the leather on this shoe is buttery. This is one of the best Jordan 1 Mid SEs that came out. I'm not even upset about this shoe. That's because it gives me the classic Jordan vibes. Even though they didn't have colorways like this back when Jordan was playing, it just gives me like the 85, 86 Jordan vibes. Just that feeling, that spring. Fall feeling, the weather we going into the end of the summer, things are going to start turning orange, browns, you know what I'm saying. And this shoe fits into that perfectly in my opinion. The metallic elements on the shoe are great. The leather is of high quality tongue. It's just all around good Jordan. I don't know if it's an everyday wearing Jordan, but I do see people able to do projects with this Jordan and make some great customs. You guys know what time it is in the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see me unbox next. I'm going to be coming at you with a ton of more videos. I'm going to give you guys some more sneaker rental videos. I'm going to start showing you guys some of my completed collections. And for everybody who's waiting on the Simpson shoe video, I'm getting around to it. They're going to be releasing some Simpson shoes next month. So I'm going to maybe try to wait for them. I'm going to even buy the Ned Flanders dress shoes that are coming out. So you guys stay tuned. I don't know what we're going to do about the sneakers and the unemployment situation with these new variants coming out, but you guys make sure you stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.
Everybody fucking jump!